Solved how to fix Modern Warfare freezing on Windows PC. 1. Check Modern Warfare's minimum system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. PC overheating. 3. Close background applications via WTM. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Scan and repair game files in Battle.net app. 6. Change in-game graphics settings. Display mode, full screen. Sync every frame, desync off. Texture resolution, medium or low. Texture filter anisotropic, low. Particle quality, low. Bullet impacts and sprays, disabled. Tessellation, disabled. 7. Disable in-game overlay. 7.1. On GeForce Experience, 7.2 on Discord, 7.3 Modern Warfare overlay, Games tab hit computer icon. 8 uninstall then reinstall Modern Warfare.